Good day everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the common terminologies. So we have three terminologies in this lesson. So these are measurement, testing, and evaluation. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define measurement, testing, and evaluation. To start with, measurement is the process in which attributes of the students in the class are defined. So the attributes here class basically refers to the knowledge, the skills, the interest, and the attitude of the student. So these attributes of the students can be defined through the use of measurement. Just like for example class, if you are going to measure the size of the table, of course you will use measuring devices or measuring tools in order to know the exact measure of a certain table. In the field of education, the teacher will also measure the attributes of the student in order to provide the individual need of a student rather. So measurement is vital in the field of teaching because this can help students also to motivate learning. So next is testing. So testing is used to examine someone's knowledge of something to determine what he or she knows or has learned. So it is also measures the level of skill or knowledge that has been reached. So class here in testing, so this involved periodical tests. It could be midterm and final examination. So through testing, the teacher now have the knowledge or the information from the student because testing, this is the basis for the teacher to know if the student learned from the subject matter, on how much the students learn from the subject matter being taught by the teacher. So through tests, we determine the progress of the students. So when we go to testing, so we will go through evaluation. So evaluation is the process of making judgment based on the criteria and evidence. So this time, the evaluation is used by the teacher to judge or to give uh, scores, percentiles, or ranks to the students. So this is basically refers to the performance of the students being judged by the teacher. The teacher will evaluate the result, for example, the exam or the presentation. It could be performance based or oral presentation. It is determined by the teacher through the use of evaluation. So class, measurement and evaluation goes hand in hand. Why? Because measurement and evaluation used to determine the performance of the students, both performance of the students. Because when you measure something, of course, you will evaluate based on the result of that certain measurement. And measurement, testing, evaluation are all used to measure on how will student learn from the assigned materials, on how will student learn from the subject being taught by the teacher, and how much did the students meet the stated objectives. So that's all for our topic for today class. Thank you and goodbye.